Hello guys, so this will be our final topic of our Python basic to advanced level playlist. So there are many more topics related to library files and even the frameworks like Django and Flask. I'll be uploading those videos also. So if you learn until here, your logic building will be strong and you can do self-coding. So guys, let's dive into our Jupyter notebook and discuss our final topic, that is data abstraction in Python. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and on the bell notification. So let's not waste our time. Let's dive into the Jupyter notebook and speak more about that. So guys, firstly, what is data abstraction? If you might have attended your 12th grade or else your undergrad, you might have heard this somewhere or in any other languages like Java or else in C++. Don't worry, the theory will be same, only the practical implementation and the internal working and the syntaxes will change. In Python, I'll help you out with that, don't worry. And firstly, let us see what is the definition. Data abstraction means the process of hiding the real implementation and only showing the required information. I'll tell you all with a easy way. Data abstraction means only displaying the essential informations required and hiding the internal details. You got my point? Don't worry guys, the detailed article link will be available in this description where you have the definitions and even the example codes and everything. Check out the description for the article, and also I'll be providing my Telegram channel link. Do join the Telegram account for the latest updates. So let me explain you all data abstraction with an real life example, then we'll go to the practical implementation. So let us take an example of an ATM machine where you want to withdraw a money. So you go to the ATM machine and you give your card, enter the pin and you withdraw the money. Only this will be seen by your end. You cannot see the internal working of the ATM, that from where the money is coming, how much money is inside that. You cannot see all that, right? That is the best example. The money which you are taking is an front end, that is your normal information. The money from where it is coming inside, that is an internal information, that is the abstraction method. So let us see that with the example code now. So firstly, I am previously I was typing the code, it was taking a lot of time. Now I have already written the code here. I'll just execute and show you all, and I'll type some more code also. Because this is the last class, I guess you might have understood the easy implementation also. Class bike, so I have taken that. I have taken the def process as self and print hello. So I run this, it got executed. Now ym is equals to bike ym dot process, so hello. This is the normal way of writing the code. Here there is no abstraction involved. For abstraction we have to import a module called abc. Don't worry, this is just a basic module. So firstly let us see, from abc import capital ABC and abstract method. So then I have executed class bike ABC and I have called a decorator called abstract method, def process self print hello and ym dot process. So when I run this, it will not run, I guess. Yeah, it is showing, you see, when I tried this same process, here it got work. When I use the decorator abstract method, it is not working. You can see here it is saying can't initiate the abstract class bike with abstract method process. So there is another way to execute this code. Let us see that. So you can see here it is not working now. Now I have again taken the class and I have taken the name as Yamaha, that will be the class name, and I have called this particular bike class into that, and I have given as print it's working. So I have run this, and even I have run this ym1.yamaha and ym1.process. So it's working. So that's because here you can see we have provided the decorator abstract method. Because of this, it is not able to show the internal working, or else it is not able to print that particular code without a detailed structure. But here what we have done, we have overridden that. We have called another class and we have taken bike in that, but here we have not given the decorator. We have tried to pass, means we have tried to override that particular abstraction method, and here we have not given the decorator abstract method and we have directly tried to print. So now here it is working, that print it's working. Don't worry guys, we'll try it out with another example. Before that, let me tell you what is ABC. So ABC is nothing but abstract base class. So it is called as ABC. The full form is abstract base class. It is not your alphabetical order like ABCD. I was just kidding, guys. Now let us see the second example. Now from ABC import ABC and then abstract method. ABC is abstract base class. So we'll be doing in this particular second example, what we are going to do is we are going to print the sides of a triangle and even some more shapes. Let us see that. Class polygon abstract method def number of sides self pass. Here I have not written anything because I want to override this method, right? So we are just overriding, so we can give the code at here. So I have taken the second class as triangle, polygon is the base class, and I have given def number of sides self, and I'll print that. How many sides does a triangle have? It has 3 sides. So I'll give just as I have 3 sides. So done. This is done. Now if I execute this will work. Let us try to create some more. I'll just copy this out. Enter. Let us come out of the loop. Paste. And I'll change this from triangle to pentagon. So this will be pentagon, and I'll give the number of sides for this as 5 sides. So let me come out of the loop and let me give this time as hexagon. I'll just print the same and I'll just change it out for hexagon also. Guys, I'm planning to start my MongoDB series. So if you want that to start faster, or else if you want me to start the Python libraries or even the frameworks Flask and Django classes very soon, comment below which one you want me to start first, whether MongoDB series or else the Flask or Django or else the Python library series. So for hexagon, how many sides does hexagon have? It is having 6 sides. 1 2 3. Let's take any one final one and we'll just implement it out. Now I'll take quadrilateral. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. I guess the spelling is right. So def number of sides. So let us give for this 4 sides. So let's execute this. Okay, class polygon is not defined. Polygon, polygon, polygon. I have defined it right. Abstract method. Okay, capital P, I guess. Shit. Okay, 1 second. Let us give capital P and run once. If that is the case, then it should come to pentagon. Yeah, right. So let us change the P to capital P. Here also same, we have to change the P to capital P. It's my bad, guys. Okay, now it should execute. So it got executed now without any errors. Now let us try to call the process. So let us take capital R is equals to, we'll take the class triangle for this, and we'll just close the braces, enter, and we'll give capital R dot number of sides, and we'll close that also. So if I print this, okay, R, right, capital R. So it is saying that I have 3 sides. So we have overridden this pass. I have not entered here anything because however that will get overridden in the abstract method. So I have not written anything and I have just given pass and I have overridden that particular class and I was able to print this. Let us see for other things also. Let me to copy this and let me to paste, and I'll change for this from R to K. And I'll change the name to, next one is pentagon, right? So we'll change the name to pentagon. I guess this is the spelling P-N-T-H-U-N, yeah, pentagon. Let us run this. So it is showing I have 5 sides. So it is able to override. So let us do the same, and let us do for the hexagon also. So I'll give this as capital H for hexagon. I guess I have given capital H, yes, H-E-X-A-G-O-N, hexagon. Okay, let's complete the final one also, and directly we'll see. Let us take capital Q is equals to quadrilateral. I'll just type it out. U-D-R-I-L-A-T-E-R-A-L, quadrilateral. And I'll just give it an empty space. Oh guys, just ignore this. Let me just make this as clear. Yeah. Now let us give Q dot number of sides, and let's close this and let us run. You can see here quadrilateral is not defined. Okay, I'll just copy out the same name what is here. Yeah, copy. Let's paste it out here, and now it should run. Yeah, you can see here guys, triangle I have 3 sides, pentagon I have 5 sides, hexagon I have 6 sides, quadrilateral I have 4 sides. So guys, that's all for today's class. I hope you got that what is data abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but it will just hide the internal working, but we can override it. We cannot completely find out the output. So we can just override it with some other information. That's all. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. And guys, and another important thing, so whatever I have written the code, everything will be available to you in this description, from entire OOPS concept, from starting everything. This Jupyter notebook link will be available in the description of this video, and also I'll be updating in every video's comment section. You can check out the description. So guys, that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning.